These are actually Ascendant Audio Mayhem 12s, 3 DC5 case,
yeah.
Each have 1.4 ohms.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. That's a big brace.
1.5 inch thick.
Really?
My auto body guy actually did it for me. He didn't know nothing about audio.
Yeah.
He deleted the sunroof and he seen how it was flexing and he's like, oh, you know what? He's like, I'll hook you up.
All right.
He did the metal and it's not perfect, but
yeah,
it's solid as hell.
Does this go up?
Yeah, it goes down. There you go.
Nice.
I did this all myself.
That looks good.
Yeah, he did is the metal.
Nice. What FIs are these?
These are actually Ascendant Audio Mayhem 12s.
Okay.
They're fully built. I don't know if you know who Frankie Rio is.
Yeah,
He's out of Florida.
Yeah.
These were out of that. He had the 24 and that Astro.
Yeah.
These are 6 of those.
Nice. All right.
Yeah. Then I'm running 6 of these. They're fully built by Scott.
Okay.
And I'm running 3 DC5Ks.
Yeah.
Each have 1.4 ohms. 2 limitless 70 amp hour batteries.
Okay.
And then a Singer 290 and a Singer 340.
You know the tuning?
29 bits.
29. Oh, you can bring
I like the low.
Yeah.
I don't know about the low.
Is there a way to get some subflex with the doors cut? Yes, sir. Awesome. Yeah, that's why I wanted to put the seats back up so it's alright to see some sub. This is nice, man. You did a good job.
Thank you.
A lot of wood work and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I did the wood. This year I did the wood.
Is that metal bracing too?
Yeah, that's steel. Steel reinforced. Wow. Welded to the thing.
That's a big...
I did the wood this year, 3 inches of Baltic birch, and I did the second alternator.
Okay.
Which made all the difference in the world.
Second alt, yeah.
Oh man, my voltage doesn't even move. This voltmeter started acting goofy yesterday, but it stays in the 14s. Lowest I think I've seen is like 14.0.
Wow, nice.
Full tilt, and I don't even have to hit the gas at all. I just idle.
Okay. Have you done any kind of SPL test on this?
I did. I was actually like, man, I was like, this is not, I didn't build it for that though.
Yeah.
151.4 at 30 hertz, but I've never competed. I didn't even know what to do.
Yeah.
So
once you, I'm sure it does at least a 50.
They said it
should have done at least a 55, 56 or higher.
They said it only clamps 35
per amp.
3,500 total. Which doesn't make any sense.
That must have been. Yeah,
I don't know that or just a box ride. That's crazy.
Wow. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Be sure to give Rich a thumbs up if you haven't already. He did a great job showcasing his system at the Slamology 2022 show. This was on Sunday when I got a demo. Really glad, Rich, if you're watching, man, shout out that you got to shut the seats down so that way we were able to see some nice subflex action in this video. He's going to give us 2 subflex songs for this video, so really good job with the demo, and shout out to you, man. Be sure to give him a thumbs up and comment and let him know what you think about his system. Definitely some positive things to say. I really like the way he has amplifier rack. You can see how far back his box is, as well as how much space he utilized in his system. So much is crammed in this spot at the very back of his Mountaineer vehicle, so be sure to give him a thumbs up. Really good job with that, Rich. And he did all of this himself. He's got a really powerful 3 amplifier system, so 2 subs per amplifier as well on this 6 12-inch subwoofer wall build. I really like the brace that he has for his roof. It really helped a lot with stopping the flex. You'll see when I get the demo, I try to get some outside flex on the roof, and I honestly did not see any roof flex at all, so he did a really good job with that. Last thing I want to say is his top port was really efficient, so he has a 6 sub variation at the bottom, and his seats are able to go up, and all of that flow and pressure of air can blow out without the seats blocking any of it. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo. Thank y'all for watching my daily cardio videos. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and enjoy the bass demo. Man.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready, man. Go for it.
Man, your voltage is solid. You're right. Awesome. Thank you for the demo, man. We're good. I got outside everything. Thank you for the demo. Awesome job.
You gonna tag me?
Oh yeah, I can. Yeah. I post a lot of videos.
I know you post a lot of videos.
Yeah, every day. Thank you for the demo, man.
Yeah, it's so loud.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.